We're bringing in young generations of workers, or we're trying to, that grew up digitally native. They expect to be able to go to YouTube to get an answer to their question, or just look up that information and have really their world at their fingertips. And manufacturing has lagged a little in being able to deliver that experience. So as you think about that, productivity is becoming something everyone's working on. But really what we're able to do with these connected worker platforms is by orchestrating the work, providing the knowledge to execute the work, we can enable individuals with much fewer years of experience to be highly productive in their day-to-day work.
Yeah, and another piece of that is data aggregation across multiple systems to drive that productivity or increase productivity. Right now, and where industrial connected workforce is really helping, on average, there are 11 different systems a production worker has to utilize to solve a business issue, and it takes them upwards of 4.9 hours across those 11 different systems. So AI is really helping augment that and decrease that amount of time and also increasing productivity.
From a results perspective, the typical results are in 3 areas that most people naturally ask about. Quality improvement, so we respond to quality deviations faster. It's improved throughput by better problem solving and doing it at pace, and yield improvement. And those are some of the softer things that aren't always as easy to measure on a short time scale when you're doing these implementations, but real meaningful impact in terms of the performance that a company will see.
I will tell you at ServiceNow, with our partnership, we've seen north of 60% of our customers have some form of frontline worker transformation projects or employee transformation projects across the board. I think we have a very powerful solution. And going back to the original question, what makes ServiceNow and the EY relationship special? And it's really the combination of the experience that both companies have over X number of years of sitting down with our customers, understanding what the real issues are, and then coming up with a great solution.